stop. Before we write another line of code in our Next.js project, I need to show you something that is a total game changer for our workflow. Look at this. I just generated a full-stack landing page with a responsive layout, custom assets, and clean code in exactly 60 seconds. If you're still just using ChatGPT or manually building every single boilerplate, it's time to level up. Think if Google and Microsoft had a baby, that's Genspark. Honestly, rest in peace, traditional tools. This is better than ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to put your development on autopilot. We're talking about a team of only 30 people who hit a $1 billion valuation in just 6 months. Meet Genspark, Silicon Valley's first AI agent. They aren't just launching another chatbot. They've built the next-generation all-in-one AI workspace, a complete ecosystem of AI agents that don't just chat, but actually get the work done for you. As developers, we are tired of juggling 20 tabs and paying for half a dozen subscriptions. Why pay for ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Canva separately? Genspark follows a one replaces 10 philosophy. For just $19.99 a month, you get a unified workspace with access to all the top AI models in one interface. Imagine this, no more switching between tools. That is a thing of the past. Traditional AI tools only handle text. Genspark goes beyond that. It acts as your AI developer. It also serves as your AI designer. Plus, it functions as your AI image and video. Like having a 24/7 teammate handling everything so you can focus on the logic. Let me show you the power of this all-in-one workspace. Let me show you my actual workflow for a recent Next.js e-commerce client. I handled the entire project lifecycle without ever leaving Genspark. In this step, I will design my website using this AI developer. Let's click on this option to continue. We can choose the full stack option for this project. Then, we can click on Start Building. Here in the prompt section, I will enter clear instructions. These details help the tool understand what to build. For example, we can type this prompt: design and build a fully functional e-commerce website for a bag store. The website should include a complete shopping experience with product listings, a shopping cart, secure checkout flow, order processing, and inventory management. Use a modern, clean, and fully responsive UI styled with Tailwind CSS. The store should launch with 10 visually diverse bag products, each with images, descriptions, pricing, and stock availability. Here, you can look through all the available models. You can pick the one that fits your project best. Here, you can view several newly released AI models. These include Gemini 3 Pro and GPT-5 Codex models. You can also choose Cloud Sonnet or Cloud Opus 4.5. I am choosing Cloud Sonnet 4.5 for this project. Then, you can click on this button to start the building process. At this point, our shop is fully ready. Let's open the Preview tab to check our deployed website. The website looks complete with modern shopping experience. As you can see, it includes product filtering, shopping cart, and checkout. It has a modern design styled with Tailwind CSS, exactly what we asked. As you can see, we have a menu at the top with a shopping cart icon. Let's add a product to the cart to test the shopping cart functionality. As you can see, a notification pops up. One item is also added to the cart immediately. Each product includes a clear title, description, and price. These details match exactly what we requested earlier. And you can also filter the products here with simple options. Everything responds smoothly and works exactly as expected. Opening the package.json file shows the tools used for setup. You can easily view the details that build the project. In this tab, you can see all your project files clearly. You can also download any file or folder with one click. You can link your GitHub repository directly from this tab. You can also save your entire project inside that repository. Now that we have our website ready, I want to find the real products for the website. So I'm going to use this AI Sheets to create a list of real China suppliers for bags. So we click on here, and inside the prompt section, I'm going to say, create a sheet for Alibaba verified suppliers listing 20 currently active China-based suppliers. Include official company names, headquarters location, years in business, and supplier status. Add business metrics for each supplier, including annual revenue range and trade assurance limits. List the product categories each supplier offers, such as handbags and etc. Let's move forward with the process. Click this button to start. This will generate the sheet for us. Here is our sheet. It is all set and ready for use. We have the company name and headquarters location here. The sheet includes every detail we requested. You can also see the trade limits and supplier status. These are very important when choosing a company. You do not need to spend hours searching manually. We got all this information in a few seconds. If you want to use this data, you can save the list from here and export the entire table. It downloads directly as an Excel file. We have our website up and running. We also know how to order products. However, we need a logo designed. Since I am not a designer, I will use an AI designer. This tool will help create the logo for us. So I'm going to click here. Let's start by entering our prompt. This is where we describe what we want. We will type it in this box. Let's say professional logo, custom UI icons, and even high-quality product visuals for a bag shop called Sahan Bag. Then I click here on this button to create the design. Alright, the design is ready here. Take a look at our newly generated logo. Additionally, we have some visuals of bags. Here is an example of a gift bag. We also have the icons for our e-commerce website. Just by entering a single prompt, I received a professional logo. I also got custom UI icons. Additionally, I obtained high-quality product visuals for the website. Finally, to get paid, we need a project proposal. To move forward, we need to create a slide presentation. This presentation will be sent to the customer. Inside the AI Slides tool, we can automatically generate our proposal slides. This feature allows us to create them effortlessly. So we click here, and inside this box, I'm going to add this prompt. Create a 10-slide technical proposal for this Next.js site. Include the SEO strategy, the Prisma database schema, and a roadmap. And then we can click here to create these slides. Alright, our slides are completed. Take a look at the results. Everything is here, just as we requested. The AI has included a professional layout. It has a technical section and an SEO strategy. The Prisma database schema is present. We can also see the core features and technical aspects. One of the best parts is the ease of editing these slides. You can make changes without any hassle. This flexibility allows you to adjust text size. It also lets you modify content until you are satisfied. Click on Advanced Edit to make changes. Choose any titles or text you prefer. Add new sections if needed. For example, I add the word form in this title. Once you are satisfied with your slides, return to the editor, save your work, or make changes as needed. Increase the text size if required. When ready, click here to export your slides. You can also save them as a template. Additionally, convert your slides into an audio podcast. The wildest part? Genspark is offering unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for the entire year of 2026. This includes access to the absolute top-tier models like GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, and Flux. You can get started right now using my link in the description below to receive free credits and experience the full, all-in-one AI workspace for yourself. Stop fighting with your tools and let Genspark handle the heavy lifting. Now, let's get back to the code.